Okay, in this video I'm going to go over something that I kind of forgot about in the last video, but I wanted to separate it out anyway because it's kind of its own task. Whenever I pull it up this sofa again, if someone has already replaced the cover photo with the transparent version, you should be able to easily tell that here. See how that one is different than the rest of these? You can tell it has no border around it. Um, in some of the older listings, I did all of that, so some of those are already done. But there might be more than one person updating this, so I would just first thing is just look. Okay, does the cover photo has it been replaced with transparent? And if it hasn't, you go over to Cherish and find it and get it. And on all this newer stuff, there should be a SKU associated with it, and you should be able to find it. And if you can't, just mark it, and we'll create a list of ones that you cannot find. But this task is kind of strange, but basically, like if you noticed how whenever we clicked on this, we copied the title into the caption on the cover photo. What we need to do now is go through each one of these photos, and you just click on it, and then you caption it, and then in each one. But obviously you're not setting it as a cover image. There's only one cover image, and then you'd caption it and then hit Save Image Settings, and then go to the next one and do the same thing. Except these cannot have the same title as the main image, but it can contain the same text as the main image. So here's an example. I would copy this, and then I would say, see, this is the straight on view. This, it's not angled at all. So I would say straight view of, and then paste. So straight view of Vladimir Kagan mid-century cloud chase sofa. And that way I'm creating a different caption from Google's point of view. It's got different words in it, and it starts out differently. But it has those keywords in there from the title at the same time. So I would save that, and then I'll click on the next one, and you can put something like angled view of, or you could even put right angled view, or left. I mean, whether it's right or left kind of depends on your perspective. So you could put left angled view of Vladimir Kagan mid-century. Okay. And then you put, on this one, you would put close up instead of view. You could also put photo. So that's a different type of keyword, and you can kind of alternate these and mix them up a little bit. But then, so close up photo of, and you could also say something like, let's see, that's the left side of the thing. So you could say left close up. Oh, close up left photo. Yeah, you could say left close up photo of, and then there we go. And then you could say right close up photo of, save. And you can just sort of vary your words a little bit. I could say, let's say that'd be lower left, because that's what that photo is. That's the lower left. Did I say it? I didn't say that. Okay. Lower left. There. Save. Lower right. Now on something like this, I'd say close-up cushion view. Or view or photo, whatever. Close-up cushion. And then you could use rear or back view. You could vary them a little bit. It's good to vary these words because we don't want it to look like a machine did this. We want it to look like a person went through and named all this, which is what's happening. So rear view of, yeah. And then you put back angled view of, and then rear angle, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, rear angled photo of, I would use the word photo a little more often. Photo and also picture. You know, you could use, just vary the words a little bit. Photo, picture, whatever. And then there's what used to be our cover image, and then you could put you could rename that to main angled view of. Okay, that way it's a little bit different. Save. Okay, so now if you go back through all these, I have technically a different, more intelligent caption for each one of these. And then the main cover photo is just the title. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to hit close, and then I'm going to hit go to catalog, I'll save it, and then that's it. That one's done. And then you just move on down. And you're sort of just basically describing what the picture is without reusing the same types of words all the time. And you make the starting words different, and then include the title, and then you could even add a couple of words at the end if it's appropriate. But the main thing that we're doing here is that when Google sees all of these images, that there's a caption on each one that's sort of descriptive, and it also has the keywords in it, but it can't be seen as a duplicate caption. And that, if that makes sense, it just can't be a duplicate of the main caption, so that when they see it, they don't think that we're just copying and pasting the same thing over and over again. Which we're not. We're making a custom caption for each photo. So you can just go down each one of these and do something similar for that on all the photos, and that would help us out tremendously. And you can do that at the same time as you update the cherished photo, update the listings with the cherished photo, or at a different time if it's faster. But sometimes it's faster to do the same thing over and over again instead of doing so many things in one step. However you want to do that is up to you, just based on how fast you can, or how efficiently you can figure out how to do it. And that's it. That's what this second task is, and I'm going to end the video.